Hello VRay users, Alex, you VRay Guide, and today we have reached very important milestone on YouTube channel. I've got my 2020 year review in my email today, and I saw that we've got a lot of people inspired and watching those video tutorials. We've got 42,000 like buttons that was clicked, and fans left 3,033 comments. That's a biblical number right here. We also got close to 500,000 views and more than 24,000 hours being spent on a watch time. So I went to see how many actually subscribers we got, and I saw that we have 50,000 subscribers. That's a halfway to the silver button of YouTube, and we're not gonna stop here. We're going to continue releasing most amazing VRay architectural visualization video tutorials. So if you have any requests, any comments, anything you want me to do, you can post it below this video. In the upcoming days, we're going to do survey. So we're going to decide which is the best training to take in 2021. We're going to have challenge of tropical island, interior, exterior. I'm going to give you some options so we'll be able to vote. Now for the price of this cool achievement of our 50,000 milestones, I want to ship this VRay hat with the VRay logo to the best comment of how my stuff helped you. If you had some success story, if you had some failure that you were able to resolve thanks to my videos, I want to hear about it. You can post it below this video, and the best comment will get this cool VRay hat shipped directly to your mail. Okay, so again, thanks a lot for following, thanks a lot for watching. Post those comments below. This is Alex, your VRay guide. Talk soon. Ciao.